Wait, hold on a second. If you are a construction professional, this is for you. Let me save you from a mistake that can cost you setbacks on site. Let me be very honest with you. Building in Nigeria is not for the weak. Not because of it's impossible, but because small mistake on site can cost you big setback. You see, this building thing is just like life. If the foundation is wrong, even decoration becomes a waste. Most people rush the fine parts, tiles, POP, paint, but they ignore the hidden parts, the structure. That's like putting perfume on the body that didn't bathe. It no go smell, right? Let me advise you. Number one, don't ever start a building because others are building. Follow who know road, no be by who they run fast. Secondly, get the right professional. Not your uncle in one particular place that has been doing it for years because person wey dey do trial and error no suppose handle your life savings. You agree with me or you not agree with me? You agree with me. Third, respect your materials. Cement is not magic. Sand is not just sand. Water sef get im level. Na small small jobs dey make mighty oceans. Na im dey tell us o. But na the same small small mistake dey destroy building. 4, supervision is everything. If you leave your site, like God go handle am, my brother. Even God go ask you say, where you dey now? Number 5, fifth, be patient. Who rush build house go rush repair am. Remember what they say, the patient dog eats the fattest bone. At this time, the patient engineer, you know the answer to that. At the end of the day, a good building is not just about how it looks today. It's about how it will stand tomorrow. Don't just build to impress people. Build so you don't stress yourself later. If you're serious about building the right way, follow me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I remain your favorite construction tourist, Peter Kayode. See you in my next video.